What is the experience of buying an LX 570 for $200,000 and then spending over $100,000 to completely disassemble and refurbish the car? From the rusted chassis to a complete disassembly and refurbishment, not a single screw is overlooked. We clean and refresh the oil and fluids, meticulously reassemble the engine to restore it to factory condition. Finally, we give the aged and damaged interior and exterior a major makeover. Watch how our team transforms this car into a new one in a month. Whether it's worth it or not, you decide.
Is this the new password? What's mixed in the middle? Separated the body from the chassis. Do not ask why we keep working on this model, because we do not know others well enough. Servicing these few models properly is enough, and the frame condition is not good. The foot covers are completely deformed. Clean first, then disassemble. Demolition begins. After disassembly, the main beam underwent sandblasting to remove rust. Effects of sand-containing pills. Today's powder spray. High-temperature drying. Patterned yarn for sleeves. The effect after renovation. This result can reach a near-new condition, and now the main build begins with reassembly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. No problem at all. Start repairing the engine first, clean it, then disassemble it. The engine is malfunctioning because of carbon buildup. Ultrasonic cleaning. Grinding valves. Test sealing. Install new valve stem. All preparation work is complete. Next comes one person, one engine assembly. Many people ask how a car feels after a full rebuild. The truth is, factory is always best. What we do is use original parts. Precise data. Professional tools aiming not to exceed, but to stay stable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Assembly complete. Final exterior and interior refurbishment. Spray primer. Justified. Very extravagant relatives. See the effect after spraying. Body and chassis integration. Start. Perfectly running. Original car soundproofing. Hunter 4-wheel alignment restores factory specifications. Then the whole vehicle is thoroughly cleaned to reveal the final result. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.